Ford Raptor. This is a 2018 Ford Raptor. This is the only decent Ford pickup truck on the road, but unfortunately it has so many shortcomings. I don't know if I could ever actually own one, even if I could afford it. My issue is, well, for starters, this Ford emblem just looks badgy and kind of crappy. Like they just took the regular tailgate and plopped it on. And GM at least embosses it into the metal, so it's a little subtle. These giant Raptor decals are horrendous. The rims are mediocre, the tires are noisy, the truck is really floaty. The interiors of Ford, I don't like them either. I mean, I'm not trying to sit here and just, dump on Ford, but I'm just not a Ford guy. I don't get it. It's not my thing. The giant Ford in the front, not as subtle as it could be. I do love the orange accent on the headlights. That is one thing they do great. The twin-turboed V6 is okay. My problem is they pipe engine noise inside the cab. Buy the coolest truck on the road just to get fake noise. That to me just totally disconnects me from the vehicle, and price is no longer an issue. I just cannot do it. And then you see $92,000 Canadian and you go, ouch. More to come.